Okay, once you've created your page, you now need to add content to it, and to do that, you use one of our editors. Now, we have two different editors, and I'll explain to you why. Each of the editors, we have the standard editor. This is the one, if you've used our system before, this is the one you're used to seeing. This is, we think, the best general purpose editor on the planet. We haven't been able to find one that is as good or better than this. So this is your standard editor. If you've used the system, you'll know this. And there's tutorials that show you how every one of these little tools works. The reason we have the fancy editor as well is that it does some things that the other editor doesn't do. There are some things the other editor does that this doesn't do. You can see it has a lot less tools. But this gives you more font choices. It does some effects. Like if you want to add a link, for example, it will let you add just a regular link, or you can create buttons using it. It does a bunch of different things like that. And you can go through all the tutorials for this editor if you like. They're in the tutorial library, and see what it does to decide which one you want to use. Each editor is good for different things. I think most of the time you'll want to use the standard editor, which is the yellow pencil. But sometimes you're going to want to do a cool little effect. If you want to do cool effects, then probably the fancy editor is the one to use.